Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you this really fast and easy pattern, Tunisian double crochet. You'll need worsted weight yarn and a Tunisian crochet hook. Make the number of chains you want plus 3. For the foundation row, we'll be going into those back bumps that you can see if you turn your chain towards you. And we'll be skipping 3. So yarn over, skip 3 bumps, go into the 4th one, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And that creates our first double crochet. Next stitch, yarn over, go into that bump, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Watch a couple more and then continue the double crochets to the end of the row. All the double crochets have now been added, including the very last one. Our return pass will be the same as always. Yarn over, pull through 1, then yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back until you have 1 loop left on your hook. Now to start the second row, chain 1, because we'll be doing double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next bar, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the bar, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. At the end of the row, let's do that last stitch. And then we're at the edge, and we'll do what we've done before with Tunisian crochet. Yarn over this time, go through those 2 edge loops, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through 2. Then complete the return pass. In the third row, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook into the bar, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2. The edge stitches for Tunisian double crochet are a little bit different. On the right side, we chain 1 before we start every row, and so on the left side, we're going to have 2 stitches as well. Yarn over, go through the top 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, and we'll have balanced edges. After a few more rows, it's time to bind off, and we'll do it with double crochets. So chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook into the first bar, and then complete a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, and then complete a double crochet. Continue that same procedure to bind off all the stitches to the end of the row. At the end of the row, we'll do 1 more, yarn over, and then complete the double crochet. And then for the edges, yarn over, go through the top 2 loops, and finish the double crochet. This stitch is so fast and easy, I'm sure it will become one of your favorites just like it is mine. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.